Hello and welcome to episode 2 of Will It Microwaved, where we microwave common household materials and see what happens. Today we'll be microwaving the Tetly extra strong pure black tea bags, full strength. A refreshing option with a bit more oomph. In our Anko 700 watt microwave, we'll start off with the default 30 seconds. "30 seconds doesn't seem to have had too much of an effect. Let's inspect. Roughly the same. Does feel warm. The tea smell is really starting to come out. Let's put it in for a few more. Let's take another look. It's definitely a much more burnt scent. But the structural integrity of the tea bag has not changed. Not even any burning on the tag or on the paper. So, I think it's safe to say that Tetly's extra strength black tea bags can be microwaved. Thanks for watching. Join us in the next episode for more excitement.